Are you tired of using the same generic avatar in every game or app you use? Do you want to stand out and express your unique personality in the virtual world? Then, look no further than Readyplayer.me. Readyplayer.me is a website that lets you create and customize your very own 3D avatar for free. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or software to do it. All you need is a selfie or a webcam, and the website will automatically generate a 3D model that looks just like you. Once you have your avatar, you can choose from a variety of hairstyles, clothes, and accessories to personalize your appearance even further. You can also fine-tune the shape and color of your facial features, hair, and skin to make your avatar truly unique. But creating your avatar is just the beginning. You can use your avatar in various games and apps that support the Readyplayer.me platform, such as for Chat, Somnium Space, and Live. You can also export your avatar as a 3D model and use it in other software or platforms of your choice. And the best part is, you can always edit your avatar later if you want to change your look or add new accessories. All you need is the link or QR code that Readyplayer.me provides when you create your avatar. So, whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants to stand out in the virtual world, Readyplayer.me has something for you. Join millions of other users who have already created their avatars and start exploring the possibilities today.